Autobahn can. As you can see, we're in a different setting today. I am at the local pick and pull. We're going to go see if we can find some bits for the old dad van. So let's go have a rip, shall we? Okay, now we're in the old pick and pull. Looking for our... There's two vehicles in here today I could potentially get parts from. So let's hope they are in. They came in on the 31st of May. So we're into the second week of June, so hopefully there's still some parts left. We're after row 15B and 21B. Oh, we're getting close. Gosh, this vehicle's got a gantry outside of it. It's a quiet day in here. This is not my ideal working area. I don't do this for customers. It takes too much time. Not enough. Doesn't pay the bills. Going to pick second-hand parts, but for my own vehicle, it does. What row is this? This is 15. Alright. That car's just flat on the ground. Alright. 15B. Let's go look for a caravan. There's one caravan, but it's not my the generation caravan that I'm looking for. Someone already down here. Oh boy. I think it's been ripped apart already. Oh, this isn't the right style of caravan. This is not the one I'm looking for. Okay, let's keep looking. Like I said, I'm only after a few bits today. There's a bright yellow one. Oh. I think this is the one. This has a lot less pieces in it than what? Yeah. This isn't what I was hoping for. I mean, someone's already had the seat out of it. Headrest works though. Alright. Let's see if we get this headrest out. Let's grab my tools. Alright. So I need the little tiny pin I'm looking for. There we go. This little fella. We'll use this to pull out the headrest. Looks like the same kind of colour. Gosh. Must have been a real pain in the ass pulling an engine out in this fucking place. Like, big time. They really fucking... This thing's only been here a little while. That doesn't give me much hope for the stow'n'go seats that I want from another vehicle. Unfortunately, this is the best view I can give you. Let's see if we can get this off. So I've got to detach the airbag from the connector here. I'll grab a screwdriver. I was hoping to get more kinds of parts. The last thing I want to do is damage the item that I'm trying to take out. Should have brought a pry bar with me. Oh, fucking. Let me see. There we go. So, trick to getting these out. You need this little tiny pin. Put it in the hole on the side of the headrest and push in, and you can pull the headrest up. There we go. That's one item off the list. That one's got a burn in it. Maybe I'll try the other one. Be nice if I can get a nice headrest. How's this one looking? Oh, that's a better headrest. It's got this all this junk inside this vehicle. Get out of here. Fuck. Oh look, there's an Apple cable. And someone lost a socket. It's a Mastercraft. Huh. Fuck it. I don't need any more sockets. See if I can adjust this camera a bit better. They have the same color cables as the other one. Yep, passenger. Alright, they're both the same, left to right. And the cables. How about the part number? Ends in 318. This one's 315. N2. AHR. Just trying to see if the part numbers are the same. H7 AHR. They look similar enough to me. See the other ones? It's got a small cigarette burn in it. It's now dirty because I've been on this dirty ass floor. Sorry. Let's pull this thing out. All right. Plastic's a little scratched at the back, but it looks good enough to me. Still not perfect. Still got a small burn in the fucking headrest. But it is less noticeable than the other headrest. So we'll take this headrest and see if we find the better one at the other vehicle we've got to go to. Make sure I don't forget my little pin there, my tools. There's another thing that I was interested in. It looks like it's complete. I'll have to retrofit it to our van. Drill some holes in the roof. Put a roof rack. Like, roof rack's freaking handy. We have a Thule box for my wife's car, but nice to have one for this one too. Let's see if we can get this off. It's in that little hole, just 10 mils. I'll have to put some bolts, drill holes and put some bolts through my own van. Yay, drilling holes in a van. I don't want to do that. All right. That was easy. Now I just got to do something with my van. Get some bolts put through it. Just try to take a picture with reference so I can kind of know what kind of depth bolts that I need when I come to install this in my own van. So also I have to make sure it's in the right place too. So try and get frame of reference of where it should be. As best as possible. Look at that. Bargain. Roof rack. Got to do the other side now. Ugh. Can't forget that. We've got to move on to the other side. Oh, gosh. I fucking hate coming here. I really do. Move my trolley around. Luckily there's not a lot of people here today. So that'd make me feel a bit... Bollocks, drop my roof rack. That'd make me feel a bit more self-conscious filming, because on the weekends this place is full of a lot of people. So this van only has the what I want to do is upgrade the brakes on my van, but to do that I need a core to replace the calipers that I buy, the heavy duty calipers. So one of these days I'm going to come in, pick up the twin piston calipers, and that way I have a core. I don't have to pay. I can get the core fee returned. There we go. Nice. Happy days. Look at that. Roof racks. I'm well happy. So we've got the headrest for safety, so hopefully this thing hasn't been in a crash and it doesn't flag up an airbag light as soon as I plug it in, because that'll suck. Ugh. I need a tail light for this vehicle too, and this vehicle has already lost its tail light. Some people make their living out of it, because there's plenty of used tail lights for sale on Facebook, and I'm not paying $100 or so bucks for a used lamp when I can buy one new for $300. Perfect. If you tuned into my last video, you saw me doing the the engine oil cooler. There's a little tiny spring. Boink. I was doing the engine oil cooler, so I'm still trying to get the van ready for safety, but figured I'd come to the pick and pull this morning in between when it wasn't raining and see what I could get for the van. So we already got a headrest. Hopefully I can find a better headrest. There's one more Dodge van. Oh. So I'll put this on my little trolley, and the trolleys here aren't excellent. Hopefully it don't fall off. Okay, so we've finished at this van. I've got the roof rails, I've got a headrest. Try and navigate this fucking trailer around. I don't want to drop things off. The little cart. As much as I don't like coming here, it's handy. Like I said, some people make their living from here. This is going to get slow pretty quick. We'll go find the other van, and we'll go from there. Well, as you can see, this is the next target. Like I said, this has only been here since the 31st of May. It's now, I think it's the 11th of June. Let me check my phone. 12th of June. And it's already been ripped apart. Nothing left of it. I was hoping it would have the stow'n'go seats, which it doesn't. The other one was more likely to have the stow'n'go seats, but they were gone. And this one's missing the radio as well. But it does look like it has a better headrest, so I'm going to steal that one. How's this one looking? Okay, that one's got some play to it. So that one's probably going to break. Alright. Yeah, that one's tight. Okay, that's the headrest we're going for. But whatever. We'll do our best. Alright. Of course, this one is. This seat's broken. There we go. This is a better headrest for sure. Alright. So sorry for the terrible camera skills today. Put all that lot back. To the headrest I did pick with the cigarette burn. Let's just throw it back in this piece of junk. It's 5 to 12. I've got to get back and do some repairs to my own van, or my dad van. But it looks like I only picked up some roof rails and a headrest today. Like I said, I'm gonna purchase these couple of items. So I'll get them installed. I'll probably do a separate video for the roof rails, because that's going to require some drilling. And we'll go from there. Alright guys, have a good one. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please like, comment and subscribe. And I really appreciate all that you do for the channel. Thank you. Have a great day.